What is up, guys? Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some key information that you should know about a famous grape variety coming from Europe. We are looking also at how to pronounce this weird French-sounding name, Mourvèdre. So what do you need to know about Mourvèdre? Well, Mourvèdre is not all that commonly made as a varietal wine. You may not find all that easily many wines with the name Mourvèdre on them, and that's because Mourvèdre is more often than not blended with other grape varieties such as Syrah and Grenache to form what is called the GSM Blend, which is particularly famous coming out of Australia, the famous GSM Australian blend. So Mourvèdre is a grape variety that loves extremely warm and dry climates. So that is why it is grown in the south of France, in the Languedoc-Roussillon area, as well as in Spain. In Spain, it comes under the name Monastrell. Monastrell, which is essentially the Spanish name for Mourvèdre, a synonym of Mourvèdre. So Monastrell is also very commonly blended with other grapes such as Tempranillo and Cabernet Sauvignon in Spain. One of the appellations or the DOs in Spain that specializes in growing varietal Mourvèdre and making varietal wines from Mourvèdre is called Jumilla. Jumilla in the province of Murcia. So that's one of your best bets if you are looking for a very good varietal wine. Try one from Jumilla, and it'll come under the name Jumilla Monastrell. Mourvèdre. So how do you go about pronouncing Mourvèdre? Well, first of all, Mour, and then Védre, Mourvèdre, Mourvèdre. For the typical French pronunciation, say Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre wines can be pretty powerful because this is a very tannic red grape variety. Loads of red berry characters, can be a little bit jammy because it needs a lot of sun, quite a lot of alcohol and a lot of tannins. But Mourvèdre wines on the right terroirs can be very elegant as well. There's always going to be a little bit rustic, but they can be a little mineral, a little salty, so very interesting wines to try. The wines made from Mourvèdre. Mourvèdre. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.